two.
Hey guys, we're here with
Ben Ginsberg.
Adam Grossman. Today, we're going to show you how to make
a fort out of pillows
from your
couch.
Alright, let's get started. So we have all of our couch pillows. They're all set up here. Now what we're going to do,
You have to put the biggest.
so first just take off everything off. So let's say they're all set up like this. And then they were all set up like this. And we have to take each one of them off.
And then you have to put the big ones.
Big ones are going to go,
Please move the pillow.
big ones are going to go on the side here. Like that.
And make sure you don't make it that it won't be the same height.
Make sure that they're the same height.
Take off that pillow.
Alright. So make sure they're in their own measure and everything. Alright. So
We've done this before, so
we're professionals. So we're gonna take this pillow
I'm
and we're gonna put them on the back.
Wait, no. I'm gonna put them for like that.
No. Remember?
Oh. What's the difference?
Like that. Move it up. Good. Alright. Now, back to the big pillows again. Not these small ones. We're gonna take back with the big pillows. Now, this might be a little tricky because you might have to do it a few times, but take this and you sit it like that. And
It is too
it is a little tricky because it'll keep on falling, but you just take this, go like that.
Sorry, there's no light. We need a flashlight.
Alright, now, do it again, same exact thing.
Oh.
Make this, put it right there. Good. Alright, now, we need
The blankets to cover the
blankets.
holes. Forgot.
So we have all of our blankets right here. We're going to take them and,
I'll go inside. I'll tell you where the holes are.
alright, so we're going to take them, take this like this,
And
cover the whole thing up. We don't want to
Adam,
see
right
right
here.
here. We don't want to see right here. Oh, we don't want to see any light. We want to be pitch dark inside.
there's right here my hand.
Pitch dark.
Take a tiny blanket or pitch dark.
Alright. Now, this blanket's not the best, so we're just
Here,
going to...
my hand. My hand.
Alright. Keep on covering it. You don't want to see any red on the outside.
Now, what if you don't have a couch
Then
like this at home?
Well,
What if you have a small couch?
well,
You can do it.
you'll only be able probably to make a 2-piece, not a 3-piece.
Yeah, look how big we made it. And look how
Or
much
you
the-
can make a 1-piece
and look-
and it's a small person.
Yeah, look how much the couch
And
is
it's a
left.
1 person. But since we usually have 3 people and we're used to doing 3 sides, so we're gonna do 3. And plus we have a lot.
But we didn't use that much space in our couch.
Yeah.
We just took off all the pillows.
Now, how are you
Well,
going to
if
go
you don't
in?
have that many pillows, go in your room and get some.
How are you going to go in?
So
And from here, there's a hole.
there's a hole.
Hmm
You bring the
And
camera
what is
here.
if it's very dark?
If it's very dark,
We have a
too bad,
flashlight.
and you're going to flash out. I'll go run and get the flashlight.
So we're gonna just keep on dumping pillows because you do not want any light. No light at all. Not want to see anything. Keep on piling on pillows.
You're lucky if you have a flashlight this man, but there you go.
So now,
So now
we're just gonna do a little bit more blanketing. Make sure they can't see anything.
Now the blanket is
You're
not going to
supposed
make it.
see the light when it's inside. Do you see it? Wait.
The blankets are not too heavy on the pillows.
See the blanket?
No, this-
You see the light? No, it's not supposed to happen.
Okay, ready to go in?
That is how you make a fort.
Now, let's show them the inside. Let's show them all around.
Now, let's go inside. Ben, go inside. No, wait, I'm coming inside.
No, I.
No, you go inside and I'm coming to film you. Wait.
Oh, gee, it's really dark.
It's really dark, but that's why we have the flashlights. You don't want any light in there.
I think I see one all the way at the end.
You just stick out, poke your hand where you
No,
can.
I don't see one.
Alright, so.
It's dark.
I
Pitch
guess
dark.
That's how you do it now. And then sometimes maybe for a little bit more fun when you're done, we would like to go in it. So we put some pillows on top first.
For what?
I'll show them inside.
Put some pillows on top. So every single
Wait,
pillow
Ben,
on
don't move. No, wait. You're moving.
I'll
What are you
show-
doing? This is too heavy, no?
And then you just jump on it.
Wait, Ben. You want to jump on it?
They do it on the inside. I'll show them.
Ben, you're going to move the camera a lot. Ben.
Alright.
Oh, you can't move inside. Ben.
Yeah, it's too dark inside.
That's the inside. Pitch
So what we're gonna do now
black.
is we're gonna jump the whole thing. Are you ready, Ben? Let's take out one of these. No. Take out one of these.
Ben, move the. Yes.
Are you guys ready?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. and then keep on jumping.
It's so much fun.
If your mom allows you. Ow. Okay, you just be careful.
Not safe.